Hey, fashion lovers! Have you ever wondered how that trendy outfit would look on you before buying it online? Today, I'm going to show you an amazing, totally free virtual tool that lets you try on clothes from the comfort of your home, without even stepping into a fitting room. We're going to use this cool virtual try-on tool by Kolors, hosted on Hugging Face. The best part? It's absolutely free to use. No app downloads, no subscriptions, just upload and go. On your browser, search for Kolors Virtual Try-On. You can see the URL on top. I will leave the URL in the description box. Once the website is open, you can see a clear interface. Take a clear photo of yourself or use one you already have. The tool needs this to give you an accurate look at how the clothes fit. Next, upload a photo of the garment you want to try on. Whether it's a cool t-shirt, a jacket, or even a fancy dress, upload the outfit. Let's go to Amazon and download some garments image. Let's try this one. The AI will take just a moment. And boom, you'll see how the clothes fit you virtually. This tool is so helpful, especially for online shopping. You can see how different outfits look on you before making a purchase. No more guesswork. Let's try some more clothes. This is really crazy. You can imagine the future of AI is really more exciting and limitless than we ever thought. Whether you're unsure about the fit or you just want to play around with different styles, this tool is a total game changer for your wardrobe. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to the Kolors Virtual Try-On and try it out for yourself. It's fun, it's fast, and most importantly, it's free. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fashion tips and tech tools. See you in the next video. Keep slaying your style, and happy shopping.